Hi everyone, Chris from Hiko Electrical. Today we're doing a residential solar install, so let's go and have a look at it, eh? So this is the stuff that you don't see, you know? Everyone just sees nice fancy panels on the roof, but there's quite a bit to it. And this one's a good one because I've got to go through the bushes. So up and over, make sure you've got a clean runway. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Oh, Morris is here. He's the homeowner. Hey mate. You're going to learn something now, Morris. So here you've got your positive and the negative. Positive males, pokey out. Negative females, pokey in. This is an optimizer. So what this does is, when you get shading, when you have these big, beautiful trees, like Morris has, and they shade the panel, what happens is it brings down the power of that entire array. What these do is turn that panel off. So if your voltage is higher across the whole array compared to this panel and it's dragging it down, then these smart buggers just turn it off. These panels are rated for 25-year performance warranty. So everything that we're doing at the moment needs to last that period of time as well, that length of time. These clips are from Clenergy. They're stainless steel, so they'll last as long as the panels will. All of the cables are UV rated. It comes out of it out the factory like this. So I've got the plan, and you must always follow the plan, because there's nothing worse than bumping up the panels and the plan's wrong, or you've clipped them wrong. So like I said, there's a positive and a negative, so you just need to make sure that they're all in the right way. And there's no right or wrong way, but there's my way, which is the right way. It's just keeping it all nice and tight, because what you don't want is you don't want these cables drooping down on the roof, because then what can happen is, as we go through the seasons, you get debris, you get leaves, you get even birds that want to build nests or just collect underneath the panel, so it becomes a fire risk. So we keep the underside of the panel nice and clean, and it starts first off with your cables, making sure they're nice and tight so they're not going to sag down and catch anything. The bay of planing, we've put on over 3.5 million watts worth of panels, so it's quite a bit. This one's ready to go up. Now I've got to keep going and keep lugging the rest.